We had been to Tehran, there is a Tehran Chamber of Commerce, and the Tehran Chamber of Commerce, like the Federation of Chamber of Commerce of Hyderabad, like FAPSI, also has about 3,000 members. So we had a memorandum of understanding. We signed a memorandum of understanding with the Chamber of Commerce of Tehran to promote trade, to increase B2B interactions between the members of the Tehran Chamber of Commerce and the Chamber of Commerce for Iran Trade Promotion, which is also associated with FAPSI. The whole idea is to generate inquiries on both sides for imports and exports and investments, and to promote and to bring this Chamber of Commerce much closer so that this could strengthen and promote trade. I may mention here that we have this special payment mechanism between Iran and India because there are some issues with regular banking channels. So the Iran government has designated about 4 banks in Iran, 4 leading banks in Iran, for this special payment mechanism in India. And in India, the UCO Bank is taking the lead for facilitating this payment mechanism. The payment mechanism here is that the Iranian businessman will pay in riyals, and the Indian businessman gets his money in Indian rupees. So there is no disturbance in the banking channels whatsoever. And one other fact that I would like to mention is that India imports. In fact, for Iran, India is the second largest importer of oil. So we import about close to around 14 to 15 billion worth of oil. And Iran has kept 40% of this revenue that it gets from India in the form of Indian rupees to promote trade and to promote exports from India to Iran. So this is the genesis of the initiation being taken by the consulate, the Chamber of Commerce, and the governments of both the countries. So this is the memorandum of understanding that we signed with Tehran. And then we had also signed a similar MOU with the Chamber of Commerce in Bushehr. Bushehr, I may tell you, is the port city, and it was the first commercial port of Iran, and it is a very traditional city. And we also signed a similar memorandum of understanding with the Bushehr Chamber of Commerce, followed by Shiraz. Sorry about this. Shiraz is one of the most beautiful and one of the very ancient cities of Iran, and it's also the 3rd biggest city in Iran. And we signed a memorandum of understanding with the Shiraz Chamber of Commerce also. And all these memorandum of understandings talk about promoting trade and promoting strengthening of trade between both the countries through the Chambers of Commerce by linking the members of these both Chambers of Commerce to promote trade.